Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Civil Services. Today there is new series of top 50 questions for SCS is going to start, and these questions are very important for the exam point of view and 100% predicted questions for the exam point of view. So please take it serious and attempt all the question, and it will enhance your preparation level, and you can also check your preparation level from this top 50 question series. And in next videos I will cover more questions related with HCS and all other exams of PCS and UPSC also. So please attempt these questions and check your preparation level. And please subscribe, like and comment on Dream Civil Services, and also share with your friends so that they can also take benefit from this series of top 50 questions and other topics. Now first question of today's series is Asian premium sometimes seen in the news is related to A. Insurance sector in Asia, B. Counter-terrorism measure, C. Crude oil, D. Shipping industry. Try to attempt this question. So its answer is crude oil, that is C option. Now second question is Golan Heights region often seen in the news share land border with which of the following countries? 1. Lebanon, 2. Egypt, 3. Syria, 4th Israel. So try to attempt this question. So answer is Lebanon, Syria and Israel. So answer is B option. Third question, which of the following national park is largely known for Great Indian Bustard? Great Indian Bustard कौन सी नेशनल पार्क में पाया जाता है? So try to attempt this question. Answer is B, Desert National Park, and it is in which state? Rajasthan. Now question number 4, which of the following Indian state has longest coastline? A. Andaman Nicobar, B. Gujarat, C. Kolkata, D. Tamil Nadu. So start. Answer is A. Andaman and Nicobar has the longest coastline. Question number 5, Miyawaki afforestation seen in the news is related to A. Urban forestation, B. Land degradation, C. Rural forestation, D. National park. So start. Answer is A. Urban forestation. This Miyawaki afforestation was started from Japan and it is permanent or prevalent in Kerala. Now match the following question. Column A, Karnal, Ambala, Hisar and Rohtak. And in column 2 subdivisions are given. So match the following with column 1 and 2. Start. So answer of sixth question is A. करनाल का सब डिवीजन है पानीपत एंड कैथल, और हिसार का सब डिवीजन है जींद और सिरसा. सो मैच द फॉलोइंग विद आंसर इज ए. Now where was the Rajia Sultan defeated and assassinated? Start. Answer. So answer is B, Cathal. Next question, the historic Grand Trunk Road does not pass through which of the following district of Haryana? Start. A. Ambala, B. Rohtak, C. Kurukshetra, D. Panipat. So try to attempt this question. So answer is B, Rohtak. रोहतक से ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड जो है वो पास नहीं करती. Now next is where is the Indus Valley site located in Haryana? A. Rakhigarhi, B. Kaithal, C. Karnal, D. Panipat. So start. Answer is A. Rakhigarhi. Next is biographical information on Guru Nanak is available from which major sources? A. Janam Sakhi, B. Adi Granth, C. Gyan Ratnavali, D. Dasham Granth. So try to attempt this question. Answer is A. Janam Sakhi. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on which date? Try to attempt this question. So answer is B. 13 April 1919. Now next question is, what kind of microorganisms are there in nitrogen fixing bacteria? नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया में कौन से काइंड के माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म यूज होते हैं? ए. राइजोबियम, बी. एजेटोबैक्टर, सी. प्रोकैरियोटिक, डी. साइनोबैक्टीरिया. So answer is C. Prokaryotic. Now next question is, the central nodal agency for implementing the price support operation for commercial crop is A. FCI, B. NAFED, C. NABARD, D. TRIFED. Try to attempt this question. So answer is NAFED. So NAFED stand for National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited. And on which date it is established? It established on 2nd October 1958. This is very important. Next question is, match the following. Column A, Abul Fazal, Abdul Badoni, Barani and Abdul Lahori. And match the following with the column 2. Column 1, author name is given and column 2, books names is given. So try to attempt this question. Answer is A. Akbarnama is written by Abul Fazal and Muntakul Tariq is written by Abdul Baroni and Tariq-e-Filoshahi is written by Barani and Padma Shahnama is written by Abdul Lahori. Now 15th question is, in which rock edict is Ashoka named in person and not by his usual title Devanam Priya? तो किसमें अशोका का नाम जो है पर्सन के नेम में दिया हुआ है? ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. आंसर इज ए. मास्की इंस्क्रिप्शन में. Now 16 question, pigment containing and light reflecting cells are A. chromatophore, B. chloroplast, C. leucoplast, D. chromoplast. So answer is A. chromatophore. Now black cotton soil are known as A. rigor, B. khadar, C. bhabar and D. bangar. Answer is A. rigor. So black cotton soil is named as rigor. Next question, the world driest desert is A. Atacama, B. Sahara, C. Thar and D. Gobi. So answer is A. Atacama desert is the world driest desert. So 19th question is, three major kharif crops grown in Haryana. A. Paddy, wheat, mustard, B. Paddy, sugarcane, cotton, C. millet, sunflower, mustard and D. chilies, cotton, jawar. So try to attempt this question. Answer is B. Paddy, sugarcane and cotton. Now 20th question is, what did a person get when he was given jaguar by the Mughal emperor? A. salary, B. high office, C. revenue assignment, D. grant of landed property. So answer is C. a revenue assignment. 21 question is, which of the following latitudes is known as Great Circle? A. equator, B. 66 degree north, C. 20 degree south, D. 23 degree south. So answer is A. equator. Twenty-two question, which of the following name is given to planetary winds blowing between the tropics? A. polar winds, B. trade winds, C. westerlies, D. monsoon. So answer is B. Trade winds is a name for planetary winds which are blowing between tropics. 23rd question is, the most important component responsible for albedo is A. ozone layer, B. dust particles, C. ice cover, D. cloud cover. So answer is D. cloud cover. Now 24th question, Which of the following discovered the law of planetary orbits? A. J. Kepler, B. N. Copernicus, C. Newton, D. Galileo. So answer is J. Kepler. Now 25th question. Gutenberg discontinuity is found between crust and mantle, B. Upper core and lower core, C. Earth's silicate mantle and its liquid iron nickel outer core, and D. Upper mantle and lower mantle. So try to attempt this question. Answer is C. Gutenberg discontinuity is found between Earth's silicate mantle and its liquid iron nickel outer core. 26th is Haryana state labor policy came into existence in which year? A. 2006, B. 2004, C. 2019, D. 2015. Answer is A. 2006. 27th question. National Green Tribunal has established in which year? A. 2010, B. 2009, C. 2012, D. 2013. So answer is 2010. NGT was established in 2010. Twenty-eighth question. In which of the following year state of Haryana came into existence? A. 1st November 66, B. 1st October 1963, C. 1st November 1969, D. 1st November October 1967. So answer is A. 1st November 1966, which is also observed as Haryana Day. So 1st November is Haryana Day. Now 29th question. Which of the following district of Haryana has highest percentage of rural population? This is very important question. A. Mewat, B. Sonipat, C. Karnal, D. Fatehabad. So answer is Mewat. 30th question. Which of the following district of Haryana has highest child sex ratio? A. Mewat, B. Ambala, C. Karnal, D. Sonipat. So answer is A. Mewat. Thirty-one question. Lala Lajpat Rai actively participated in Savdeshi Andolan from which district of Haryana? A. Hisar, B. Rohtak, C. Ambala, D. Panipat. So answer is A. Hisar. 32 question. In which year Seth Chhajju Ram was elected as member of Punjab Legislative Assembly and from the non-Mohammedan ruler constituency of Hisar? A. 1927, B. 1937, C. 1920, D. 1935. So answer is A. 1927 में elect किया गया था as a member of Punjab Legislative Council. Now 33 question. Chaudhary Devilal was arrested on 5th October 1942 for taking part in which movement? A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Savdeshi movement, C. Quit India movement, D. CDM. So answer is C. Quit India movement. Now 34th question. Syed Fazal Ali Commission was formed in which year? A. 1943, B. 1948, C. 1953, C. 1956. So answer is C. 1953 में आई थी कमीशन. Now 35th question is match the following. Hathni Kund Lake is in which district? Suraj Kund Lake, Damdam Lake and Sukna Lake. Match the following. So answer is A. Hathni Kund is in Yamunanagar, Suraj Kund is in Faridabad, Damdam Lake is in Gurgaon, Sukna Lake is in Chandigarh. Now next question is match the column 1 with 2. Column A wildlife sanctuary and column 2 districts are given. A. Bindwad wildlife sanctuary, B. Chilchila wildlife sanctuary, C. Bir Sikhargarh, D. Nehar. Try to attempt this question. Answer is B. Bindwada is in Jhajjar, Chilchila is in Kurukshetra, Bir Sikhargarh is in Panchkula and Nahar is in Rewari. I covered all these questions in my previous video. Please refer that video also. Now 37 is crocodile breeding center is situated in which district of Haryana? A. Kathal, B. Kurukshetra, C. Bhiwani, D. Hisar. So answer is B. Kurukshetra. 38. Which country has set up an horticulture project in Haryana? Iran, Israel, Bangladesh, UAE. So answer is Israel. 39th question. Haryana government declared which among the following year as the year of industry and employment? A. 2013, B. 2020, C. 2016, D. 2010. So answer is 2013 as the year of industry and employment. Now match the following: metal industry, petrochemical industry, auto part and scientific industry with the following districts. Start. Answer is B. Metal industry is in Yamunanagar, petrochemical is in Panipat, auto parts is in Gurugram, scientific industry is in Ambala. 41 question. Ambala Air Force Station was built in which year? A. 1948, B. 1955, C. 2000, D. 2019. So answer is A. 1948 में बना था Ambala Air Force, and Rafale was first landed at Ambala Air Force Station. Which of the following shortest national highway of Haryana? A. NH 64, B. NH 22, C. NH 8, D. NH 71. So answer is A. NH 64 is the shortest national highway of Haryana. Now next question is Deenbandhu Choturam power plant is in which district of Haryana? A. Hisar, B. Yamunanagar, C. Sirsa, D. Panipat. So answer is B. Yamunanagar. – 44th question. In which year Haryana Tourism Corporation was established? A. 1966, B. 1996, C. 1976, D. 1968. So answer is A. In 1966 only. 45th question. Badshahi Bagh Gurudwara is situated in which district? A. Ambala, B. Bhiwani, C. Karnal, D. Jhajjar. So answer is Ambala. Now 46th question is this shawl is little bit similar to Kashmiri shawl. Flower design in red color. These are the main design over it. The above line refer to which of the following handlooms? A. Bagh, B. Fulkari, C. Chop and D. Daris. So answer is B. Fulkari. Now 47th question. Which of the following dance form is it conducted in the form of question and answer? A. Fag, B. Dhamal, C. Loor and D. Jhumar. So answer is A. Fag is conducted in the form of question and answer. 48 is who was the first governor of Haryana? So this is very easy question. It is B. Sridharam V. Now 49th question. How many time president rule has been imposed in Haryana? A. 2 time, B. 3 time, C. 4 time, D. 1 time. So answer is B. 3 time. 3 ईयर कौन कौन से थे? 1967 में लगा था, 1977 and 1991. Now last question of the today's series. Who was the first speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha? A. Shanno Devi, B. Ishwar Singh, C. Manphool Singh, D. Kuldeep Sharma. So answer is A. Shanno Devi. So that's all for today's top 50 question. Friends, these are very important question series which is made by our expert team. So take it seriously and attempt it and even learn these questions, and definitely there will be question in the essay exam from these top 50 series. And share with your friends also as well, and give your answer in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. Share, subscribe and like Dream Civil Services. Jai Hind.